Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. So I will run this Pocket Option Robot Alpha Master for the second time today. So you can run this binary option robot also. Just use the link you see up there right now and you can download this robot and get started today. Also you find a link below the video. Also you can see that I'm working on a new robot, Alpha 1 Gold. More info about that robot will be next week, okay? If you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them below the video. Also below the video, you find a link to my free Forex Telegram signal group. So link below the video for that also if you have interest about these type of things. But now, let's start up Alpha 1 Master, and I'll run it for 30 minutes this time around. And we made, let me check, $139. Little slow now, but money is money, so I'm happy with that. You can download this robot also, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.